Hello my beauties, welcome back to this channel. For those of you who don't know me, my name is Lily and welcome to this beautiful YouTube family. It's been a while since I've been here. Oh my god, it seems like forever. I just haven't recorded a video in a long time. Life has just been crazy, but today I have this beautiful look for you guys. I absolutely love it. I think it's perfect for Valentine's. Smoky halo eye, really easy. And I did this glossy lip today. I actually like it. If you've been following me, you know I don't really do glossy lips. I'm all about matte. I love a matte lip. But I thought that I was going to try something different today, and I really like it. I am in love. I'm obsessed with this look. I think by far what has been one of my favorites, so I love it. But anyways, if you want to know how to create this look, just keep on watching. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Give me a big thumbs up. Subscribe to all my social media. They are all makeup looks by Lily J. And yeah, I'm gonna stop mumbling now and I will let you guys watch this tutorial. And again, remember, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, do so you don't miss a video. Love you guys. Thank you so much for subscribing and commenting and all those sweet messages that I receive from you guys. I love it. So thank you so much, and let's keep on watching. Hello guys, welcome back. I am so happy to be in here again. Oh my god, it's been forever. Now let's begin this tutorial. Today we're gonna be doing a halo eye, and I am obsessed with this palette, you guys. It is so pigmented. I love it. Now I'm gonna be using a color that is pretty similar to my skin color. This is gonna be my transitional color, and we're gonna be focusing this in our crease. Doing this, it just makes all the other shadows blend just more smooth. It's gonna be easier whenever you have a transitional color. It just makes everything a little easier to blend. And remember to blend the colors. The more you blend, the more beautiful the look is gonna look. Now using a more darker shade, it's a little warmer. I'm gonna be using this also in my crease, but with a more smaller, precise brush, and I'm just gonna be focusing right in the crease, and I'm doing wipe shield motion, just back and forth, back and forth. Remember to always keep blending. The more you blend the shadows, the seamlessly it's gonna look. It makes a difference whenever you blend the colors, because you won't have harsh lines. So just keep blending, blending, blending until you are happy with the result. These colors are everything, you guys. They are so creamy, so pigmented. They're really easy to blend. I mean, I didn't have to really do a lot of blending, because they're so creamy. It's crazy. I love it. Now using this darker, it's like a dark purplish color, kind of plum color. And this color, I am using a pencil brush, and I'm just putting or tapping the color first in the outer corner, and I'm also gonna be doing the same thing on the inner corner of the eye, just the outer and inner corner. And I'm tapping the color first, just like this. And I try to put the camera just a little closer so that you can see closer to my eye and see what I'm doing. Now, for some reason, my memory card was acting up. I'm not sure why, but it was just crazy. So part of this video didn't record, and I tried to look for it, and I have no idea what happened. But basically what I did, once you put the color in the outer corner and the inner corner, what you're gonna do, I use this shimmery color, and I put it, it's like a pink shimmery color, and I focus this color just right in the middle of my eye, and this is what's gonna make the halo eye. And after that, just blend the colors together, the outer corner and the inner corner. Just blend them together and keep blending until you buff all the harsh lines, and this is the result that you're gonna get. Like I said, for some reason it didn't record this part of the video, but I hope that you guys get the idea of what I did. Now, using my foundation, I've been using the Wet n Wild foundation, and I absolutely love it. It's so creamy. It's really buildable, so it's not a full coverage, but it can definitely be you can definitely build it up to the coverage that you want. Now for concealer, I am using the Carbon D concealer. I love this concealer. It is a little heavy, but you can tell it has a full coverage, but it doesn't feel heavy under your eye. So it's creamy, it's really easy to blend, and I think it's beautiful. It covers really well, but without that heaviness, if it makes any sense. And I'm doing all the center of the eye, the face, as you know, under eye, the bridge of my nose, forehead, and then just blend everything. And remember to always set any creams that we use, we always set them with powder. So that's what I'm doing. And for the setting, I did use my Laura Mercier translucent powder. This powder, I love it. Now for my under eye, I did, this is a little trick that I recommend because it does have fallout, and since we already finished our foundation, I don't want to mess it up. So I put a little bit of translucent powder right under our eye, or my eye, I'm sorry. And basically the same thing that we did on the top of our eye, we're going to do it on the bottom. So the inner corner and outer corner of the eye, we're going to be using the dark purpley color, or whatever color you're gonna use, and we're gonna do the same thing. Inner corner and outer corner, we're gonna be using the darker shades, and then in the middle of the bottom lash, we're gonna be using the same shimmery color that we use in the center. So that's what I'm gonna be doing, and then you can just buff the colors together, and it's just gonna be so beautiful. And I keep looking at the camera because, like I said, I'm not sure what's going on with I don't know if it's my camera or it was the memory card, but it was definitely acting up. I had to change memory card twice. So part of the video got lost, you guys. And you can just keep adding product to more color, I'm sorry, you can just keep adding the color and until you get the look that you want. And remember to just blend. Now after we finish that, just clean the excess powder and let's begin the contouring. Now I've been using this palette again and it smells amazing. I love it. It's from Too Faced, and as you know, Too Faced palettes always smell like chocolate, so I love it. Now for my contour, I've been doing a little bit differently lately. What I do, I will start in the highest point of my face, closer a little, it's more closer to my ear or just a little bit above the ear, and I go down all the way to my chin. And this is just since I have a round face, this helps give the illusion of a longer, slimmer face. Once we have buffed all the color, then I'll go back with a translucent powder and do this step just to highlight and do or make the contour just a little bit more defined. Now I'll let that set for a while and bake. We are going to contour our nose, and I've been doing this technique lately where I do a little bit of a stronger contour, or more, just a little harsher, you can say, and I love it. It just makes my nose look a little more skinny. Just a little bit of blush, not too crazy, because our eyes, I want the eyes to be the main focus on this look. And cleaning the rest of the product. Now moving to highlight, I am using this champagne. It's like a champagne color. I love it. It's from Tarte Cosmetic. It actually came in the palette, and I think it was a holiday collection, but it's so bright. Oh my god, you guys, this highlight every time, and I haven't been using it for a while, but yesterday or whenever I record this video, I remember why I love this highlight so much. It's soft, but it still gives you the little pop. And for whenever I highlight my nose, I'll do the tip of the nose and just a little bit. I create a little exclamation point, pretty much. The tip of my nose and the highest point of my nose, and it just gives this illusion. I absolutely love it. So this is the final look, you guys. I didn't do no liner, just some mascara, pop some falsies, and it is done. I hope that you guys enjoyed this tutorial and that you guys enjoyed this look. If you recreate this look, please just tag me on the comment or in the photo so that I can see what you guys recreate. I hope that you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on the next one.